$6,240,000,000, $6.24 billion, made in a single day. By Jeff Bezos, more than you will earn in your entire life. That number is not income, it is stock growth. One single trading day in 2020, his net worth jumped $6 billion. That is $72,000 per second. Every second without working. The average American makes $2 million in a lifetime. He made that every 30 seconds. And here's the part nobody talks about. The system works like this. Wealth at that level is not paid, it is valued. Stocks rise, and paper wealth explodes, which means no paycheck is required, and almost no tax is triggered. Billionaires borrow against their stock. They take loans instead of selling. Loans are not taxed, which means they live tax-free. On billions, in 2007, Bezos paid zero federal income tax. In 2011, again, zero. This is not an accident. Think about your last paycheck. Taxes were taken before you even saw it. 20%, maybe more. Now compare that to zero. On billions, you trade hours for taxed income. He trades ownership for untaxed growth. You work for money. Money works for him. You were told hard work creates wealth. That belief keeps the system stable. It was designed that way because ownership creates wealth, and ownership is concentrated at the top. The uncomfortable truth: you're not in the same game. $6,240,000,000. That was not a salary. It was a system working perfectly for someone else. Follow Wealth with Buck. They don't want you to know this stuff.